Old-timey, unveiled, dive into vintage vocabulary. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the charm behind the phrase, old-timey. It's one of those cozy terms that make you think of the past. Let's dive right in. Old-timey is an informal adjective in English. It's used to describe something that resembles or is reminiscent of an earlier time or era. Picture things that seem like they belong to your grandparents' or great-grandparents' time. It's all about a nostalgic feel. For example, that old-timey radio in the corner plays some classic tunes. Her dress has an old-timey look, like something from the 1920s. This phrase isn't just for objects. It can describe music, fashion, or even behaviors. 1. Music. The band plays old-timey music from the early 1900s. 2. Fashion. Look at that hat. It's got an old-timey vibe. 3. Behavior, activities. Writing with a feather quill feels so old-timey. While it's a fun term to know, remember it's informal. You might use it with friends or in casual settings, but maybe not in a formal essay or official document. Here are some examples. I love visiting that coffee shop. It has an old-timey feel. Do you like old-timey movies? This photo filter makes everything look so old-timey. And there we have it. The next time you encounter something that takes you on a nostalgic trip to the past, you've got the perfect word to describe it, old-timey. I hope this video added a vintage touch to your vocabulary. Keep learning and see you next time.